Hey guys, guess what time it is? Lootcrate time. Yeah. Okay. Dang it, where's my knife? Where'd I put my knife at? Oh, I'll be right back. I gotta go get a knife. Got my handy dandy knife. There we go. Let's open this baby up. And it's a big box today. And it came early. It actually came early. It usually ships on the 20th. It came earlier. Today is the 20th. And it usually gets here about the 25th. Okay. Whew, cool. See, that's what the inside of the box looks like. Isn't that cool? Okay, I'm gonna start with this big box right here. It's like, let me move the box. It's Futurama. It's sick. The Planet Express ship. I'm gonna take it out and show y'all. Whoa. I like Futurama. Futurama's too bad they canceled it. They canceled it, whatever. All you can watch it now is reruns. Here's the ship. The base. Okay. And I put this on the base. It looks like it has a magnet in it. That's cool, dude. Okay, let's put that right here. Let's see what else we got. Grab this box. Sweet, it's Mega Man. It's like it says mini series. These are the ones you can get. I hope I get a Mega Man. That'd be cool. Let's see what we got here. This is like a mystery pack. Yep. Oh, I did. What did I get? I got it's like an orange Mega Man. That is sick. See, he can move his arms around. Capcom is on his foot. That is pretty sick. I like this crate. This crate's nice. Okay, let's see what else we got. We'll save the shirt for last. What is this? Star Trek Next Generation. Let's see what this baby is. What is this? Is it a magnet? Wait, we'll find out what it is. It's like it feels like a magnet, but we'll find out when I look at the thing. It's pretty heavy. It feels like metal, like it's sheet metal. Let's see what else we got. Cool. You got a comic. 400 or 4001 AD. That's pretty cool. Sorry about that. Oh man, it actually has a coloring sheet in here for Rick and Morty in this book. Let's see what the thing is right there. Let's see. It's Star Trek dedication plaque replica. So that's a plaque replica. That's pretty cool. I don't think I'm gonna take the clear coat off of it. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, we got a. This is our pen for this month. That's pretty cool. And save the shirt for last. We'll do the shirt. Sorry about the notification pops up. It's getting annoying, but can't help it. That's cool. Look at it. It's like a blue color. I like it. It's a good one to add to the collection. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more Loot Crate videos and other videos I post. I'll be doing some like vlog kind of videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.